So this video was requested by my boy Prahlada Singh. So this video is for you, and he wanted to make a video on space repetition and the worst study techniques to use. So I mean, in my personal opinion, the worst study techniques that you can use are probably rereading and rewriting and then re-listening to the same lecture. But I mean, if that gets the job done, then go ahead. But if you're actually preparing for academic success, if you actually want academic results, and you actually want academic success, and you wanna prepare well for a traditional examination like high school board exam or a final degree exam, then those techniques aren't gonna cut it, all right? And you need better techniques. So one technique that you can start with that seems simple but it is very effective is multi what I call multi-relational teaching. Not what I call it, but I took a study skills course and they taught me how to do it. So this thing called multi-relational teaching is where you take a concept and you try to relay one piece of information in that concept to another piece of information in that same concept. So if I have like let's say physics, and if you wanna take like the concept of velocity and compare it to acceleration, how do they relate to each other? What is the relationship between velocity and acceleration? You answer those types of questions in your own head and you try to teach it to someone else, and preferably you want to write it down or speak out loud like I'm doing it here. But you should never do it in your own head, like talk silently in your own head to save some voice or something. But because it can really lead to you feeling overconfident about your abilities, because our brain tends to misjudge our true ability to do things. It's the best to actually do them on paper or speaking out loud like I'm doing it here. What I like to do is have a something to hold in my hand so that I can actually feel like a teacher, and that personally helps me feel like I'm teaching it to someone else. So that kind of makes me better, I guess. So yeah, so give that a go. Go experiment with it. Just don't just leave this video in abyss. And yeah, I'll see you. I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Peace.